Thanks for tuning back into the channel. Working on the Roadrunner. I'm getting prepared to start putting the interior back in it because we've gotten to a point with the motor and transmission being in it, and I'm needing to put wiring in it. We're getting close to being able to start it, but I want to get the dash all in it so that way the full wiring harness is in it. So that way, instead of just throwing some hot wire on it to where it'll start, I want to just do it once. Get all the correct wiring, get all the wiring where it needs to be, and fire it up to where it's ready to go. I've vacuumed the car out. I've gotten it all vacuumed out. That panel right there has been replaced, and that was but they didn't put any kind of coating over it. So I'm about to use a wire wheel, scuff it, and then I've got some rust inhibitor / paint that I'm going to paint over it. And I'm also going to seal that seam where it meets the firewall. And then there's also a couple of places back here that I'm going to put some seam sealer on as well while I've got it out. But this car is nice and solid. I need to drill. I'm going to drill out the holes for the buckets. So if you can see right there, there's that little dimple. Mopar was nice and thoughtful. Put a dimple where the bucket seat goes. So it'll use the same hole that the bench used, but then I just got to drill that out so I can put the buckets in it. And I've got the new carpet. New carpet is out laying on the hood of the truck to kind of soften up a little bit. I've got new rubber grommets to put in all these holes, so I'm going to pull all these out, put the new ones in before I put the carpet in. I want to put hush mat or something like that in here, but I didn't have time. I didn't think ahead enough to get some ordered. So eventually I'm going to have to take the seats out to have them to reupholster them. So when I do that, I'll pull the carpet up, put some down then. But for the time being, that's where we're at. Also need to figure out how big of a hole I need to cut in the floorboard for the shifter mechanism, all that. So it is extremely hot today. I'm going to try to take the City of Springs car show that I had the C10 at last year is in 10 weeks. It's September. It's mid-September, and this is June 29th today. So I've got about 10 weeks. So my plan is to drive this car to that car show. And you guys have seen the car. I can make it happen. I just need to knuckle down and get stuff going. But like today, it's hot. It's been really slow going. So I didn't start as early this morning as I wanted to. I didn't want to get out of bed. But I've still got to take stuff out of the other cars to get ready to go into this one. I'm going to take the buckets and the console and shifter out of the green car, and then I'm taking all the other pieces, all the door panels and quarter panels and stuff out of the yellow car to put in this. But I've got to get this prepped first. I want to get the carpet in and everything. So I think the carpet may tuck in under the heater box, which I've got to pull the heater box out to put a new heater core in. So I've got to get that done. But for right now, I'm going to prep that floor and do the seam sealer so that way it can try to dry, and then I'll let it sit for a couple hours and then come back out here when it's a little cooler. So I'm going to set up the camera and record me doing that, and catch y'all on the other side. turned out. I almost want to do the rest of the floor, but man, I don't know. I could probably do the rest of the floor, but I also have to. I need to do the underside from the bottom of the car too, with the same way. But yeah, I'm very happy with the way that turned out, and that is just some Rust-Oleum from Walmart. It was $10 for that can, and that looks really nice. Turned out good. Very happy with that. Oh. Shut the door a little hard. Very happy with that. I didn't get near as much done today as I planned to because the heat is insane.